Welcome, friends, to another episode with Honey Lemon Ginger Holistic Health Coaching. For the special occasion of Eid Fitr, which marks the conclusion of Ramadan, Rafia here with a new healthy recipe called Sheer Khurma. On this special day, let's pray together for peace, good health, and happiness of all of humanity. This special dish is served on the day of Eid in most Muslim families all throughout the day to families and visiting guests. It can be served as a dessert also. It is very popular throughout the Indian subcontinent and has its many variations depending on the regions. This dish is made with dry fruits, butter, thickened milk, sugar, cardamom, saffron, raisins, and vermicelli, very thin wheat pasta strings. I have given it my healthy twist with no butter and no refined sugar without compromising the taste. It is easy and can be made in less than 30 minutes. So here is the guilt-free Sheer Khurma. Let's see what I have used for the ingredients. Let's begin. Slowly mix the non-fat dry milk to the 2% milk and mix well. Make sure there are no lumps. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes. If you are in rush, you can also use a blender or a hand blender. Note here, with the non-fat dry milk and 2% milk, the saturated fats are low compared to the whole milk or carnation milk. Now let's heat the pan on medium flame, and as the pan gets heated, let's add the vermicelli to the heated pan and stir. Slowly add the milk to the pan and mix and stir. Let cook on high heat, stirring and make sure there are no lumps and milk does not stick. Some stoves are very high on high heat, and if the milk sticks, cook on medium heat, slowly stirring so that milk doesn't stick. Cook and stir until the milk gets to a slight boil. Add the saffron, nutmeg, and cardamom and mix well. Cook for about 2 minutes. Keep stirring slowly so the milk does not stick. Add the raisins and cook for a minute. Slowly keep stirring. Slowly add the maple syrup. Add as needed for sweetness. Mix well and keep stirring for about couple of minutes. Maple syrup is made from the sap of maple trees and has minerals and antioxidants, so definitely better than refined sugar. But it is sugar, my friends, so moderation recommended. Add half the nuts and save half for garnish. Mix and add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until it boils. Taste a little and yum. It's yumlicious. Turn off the stove and let cool. The milk will thicken when cool. Garnish with the remaining nuts. Sheer khurma can be served warm or cold. Enjoy. For the full recipe and more, visit my website at honeylemonginger.com/recipes. Thank you for watching. For weekly nutritious recipes, subscribe to my channel. Until then, have a blessed day. Thank you.